Today our topic name is energy. First, what is energy? Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It change into one form to another form. There are 10 forms of energy. First one, kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body, which of its motion, is called kinetic energy. If we want to accelerate any object, we must applying a force. When applying a force, require us to do work. After work has been done, energy has transformed to other object. Then the object will get a new constant speed. Next, potential energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its position, shape or size is called potential energy. If any object there is a rest position, it is known as potential energy. Potential energy is often associated with restoring forces such as the spring of the forces of the gravity. Next, mechanical energy. The sum of kinetic energy and potential energy is used to do a particular work. In other words, it describes as motion and position both. Next, nuclear fission. The nucleus fission. The energy as the energy in the nucleus and core of an atom that make up of tiny that make up of in small around the universe. Next, chemical energy. Chemical energy as defined as the energy in the atom. Chemical energy as defined as the energy in stored bonds, chemical compounds, molecules, etc. In other molecules, etc. It is released chemical reaction and mostly produces the heat. Thank you. Next my friend will continue.
I am VYGNANIKA from 9th class. Today my topic is different forms of energy. First, radiant energy. This energy is generated from the sun is called radiant energy or energy possessed by vibrating particles. These vibrating particles are created by the sun and waves travel through the empty space or vacuum. We call these waves are electromagnetic waves. Let us discuss about electrical energy. Electrical energy is a source of electricity to maintain the rate of flow of charge. The flow of an electrons produces electricity is called electrical energy. Next, sound energy. Sound that we create when sound waves moves outward from the sound source or vibrations. Further, these waves are wave springs where it travels through the air, water or different materials like wood or metal. 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz frequency to audible for humans. Sound energy from various sources. Next, thermal energy. Thermal energy is a flow of heat energy contained within a system responsible for its temperature. Thermal energy is the flow of heat energy. Energy transformation is the process energy conversion. This process is changing one form of energy to another. Is called energy transformation. Energy transformation. Electrical energy changes into sound energy and light energy. Mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Chemical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Like that, energy changing one form to another form. Next, law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy is neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can change in one form of energy to another. Law of conservation of energy. Now this car is moving. Moving object is called kinetic energy. Now it is in rest position. Rest position is called potential energy. Like that, energy is changing one form to another form.
I am Sabiha from 6th class. My topic name is heat and temperature. Heat is the total energy of the motion of the molecule of a substance, whereas temperature refers to the measure of the average energy of the motion of the molecules in the substances. The heat depends on factors like the speed of the particles, the size of the particles and shape of the particles, etc. Example: sun radiation, fire friction, automobiles, fuel such as gas, oil,
I'm Shastra from 9th class. Let me explain about methods of heat transfer. Methods of heat transfer have three types. First, convection. Pan to pan, there will be atom direct contact. It is called convection. Convection is the heat transfer from one place to another place made flows, fluids or liquids or gases is called convection. Radiation. The radiation means when some substance to the sides is called radiation. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Pradeep from 9th class. My topic is electricity. Electricity is the flow of electrons and protons. It can also mean the energy you get when electrons flow from place to place. Electricity can be seen in nature in a bolt of lightning. Electricity is used to power our homes and business and appliances. Now let me explain electric current. Electric current is the flow of charged particles such as electrons, ions moving through an electrical conductor or space. ఒక బ్యాటరీ తీసుకొని దానికి మైనస్ ప్లస్ అనే సింబల్స్ ఉంటాయి. మైనస్ అనే దాన్ని నెగిటివ్ అంటారు, ప్లస్ అనే దాన్ని పాజిటివ్ అంటారు. మైనస్ నెగిటివ్ టెర్మినల్ పక్క ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఫ్లో అయినప్పుడు దానికి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్లో కరెంట్ అనేది ఫ్లో అవుతుంది. దాన్ని ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ అంటారు. Conductor or a type of material is used to allow electric flow to move freely. Example: steel, gold, seawater, copper, etc. Insulator material do not allow electric to pass through them. Example: glass, tire, plastic, oil, etc. Next, types of electricity. Two types of electricity. Static electricity. The imbalance between positive and negative charge within an object causes the discharges of electric pulses as known as static electricity. Next, current electricity. Current electricity is defined as the flow of electrons from one section to circuit to another. Fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protecting as the electric flow circuit. As essential component or metal wire or metal strip when too much current flow them. As metal wire present in the fuse has low melting point. ఎక్కువ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో అయినప్పుడు ఫ్యూజ్ అనేది తెగిపోయి బయటికి ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫ్యూజ్ అంటారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning to all. I am Arvind from 9th class. My first topic is magnetic effects of electric current. A current carrying conductors create a magnetic field around it which can be compensated by using magnetic field lines. మనము ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్లో మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అనేది కనుక్కోవడానికి ఒక బ్యాటరీ తీసుకొని దానికి ఒక ఐరన్ కండక్టర్ తీసుకొని దానికి కాపర్ వైర్ చుట్టాలి. అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీతో పాటు మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ లైన్స్ అనేవి చుట్టూ తిరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. అప్పుడు కంపాస్ దగ్గర తీసుకోపోతే అది రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. కంపాస్ అనేది మ్యాగ్నెట్ పెడితేనే తిరుగుతుంది. దీంట్లో మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఇది రియాక్షన్ ఇస్తుంది చూడండి. దీని ద్వారా ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్లో మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఉందని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. Next, chemical effects of electric current. The passage of electric current through a conducting solution causes chemical reactions. మనం ఎప్పుడైనా ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్లో కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్స్ జరుగుతాయని వింటుంటాం. మనం అలా ప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి మనం ఒక ఉల్లగడ్డ తీసుకొని దానికి బ్యాటరీ తీసుకొని ప్లస్ వైర్ మైనస్ వైర్ సపరేట్గా పెట్టి అప్పుడు ఉల్లగడ్డ స్టార్ట్ ఉండడం ద్వారా ప్లస్ టర్మినల్ దగ్గర గ్రీన్ కలర్ బ్లూయిష్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ అనేది ఇలా బ్లూయిష్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ స్పాట్స్ అనేవి ఇలా వస్తాయి. మైనస్ టర్మినల్ దగ్గర బబుల్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయి. అప్పుడు మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్లో కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్ జరుగుతాయని. నెక్స్ట్ సోలార్ ఎనర్జీ. సోలార్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నోన్ యాజ్ కన్వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ సన్లైట్ ఇంటూ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ. మనము సోలార్ ప్యానల్ అనేది సన్లైట్ నుంచి ఎనర్జీ అనేది కన్వర్షన్ చేస్తుంది. ఆ టైంలో ఫోటోవాల్టిక్ సెల్స్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతాయి. దాని ద్వారా మనకు ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ అనేది పాస్ అవుతుంది.
From 6th class. Today our topic is electric bulb. The electromagnetic power and generate a magnetic field that attracts the electrons towards it. The switch is passed on the current flow through the circuit. The electromagnetic field attracts the electrons towards it. The electric bulb is a simple current that travels through some point through the button. The electric bulb was invented the Alexander Graham Bell. Uses of electricity. Electricity is an inevitable and essential part of our day-to-day life. Two uses of electricity in our daily life are recreational uses example, washing machines, fan, light, etc. Transportation uses example, electric scooters, car, bike, bus, train, battery in automobiles, etc.
Hey Nityananda Reddy from 8th class. Let me explain about sound. What is sound? Sound is a type of energy made by vibrations. When an object vibrates, it causes movement in surrounding air molecules. These molecules bump into the molecules close to them, causing them to vibrate as if this makes them bump into more nearby air molecules. Sound waves that have frequency lying between 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. The audio frequency range is immense. And the next is sound waves are longitudinal waves. This means that the propagation of vibration of particles is parallel to the motion in energy. When the atoms are set in the back and forth motion, this continuous back and forth motion results in a high pressure and low pressure medium. Compression. Particles are closer, they are compression. Particles are far away, they are rarefied. Next time my friend will continue.
I am Varuni from 8th class. Today I tell about structure of human ear. In human sound fallen into the ear, the external ear canals and reach the eardrum. The compression and retraction of these facets mainly is motion, causing them to middle ear bones, malleus, incus, stapes. The common range of human hearing is 20 to 20,000 Hz. Next, characteristics of wavelength. Wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency of wave with the higher frequency and shorter wavelength, and lower frequency have longer wavelength. Amplitude. Large the amplitude, the higher the energy. Amplitude is refers to magnitude and conversion of medium. Sound wave is traveling through the higher amplitude is equivalent to loud sound. Next, frequency. The number of oscillations or vibration per second is called frequency. Characteristics of sound. Pitch. Pitches depend on frequency of vibration. High the pitch and high the frequency. Intensity. The intensity of the sound is power of sound in watts divided by area of sound in covers in square meters. The loudness of sound relates the intensity for any given sound to relates of hearing. Next, timbre or quality of the sound. The quality or timbre of the sound depends characteristics which enable us to one sound from another having same pitch and loudness. Timbre distinguishes different types of sounds such as choir voice and musical instruments.